What's up, guys? This is Tim Trevathan with Trevathan Homes, and I am here in Alpharetta, Georgia at the Toll Brothers Design Studio. Yes, they have a really cool location here, not far from the Avalon, and we're here because they're covering Ledgestone, which is their newest development of single-family homes in Lawrenceville, Georgia. So while they're being built there, there's a sneak peek VIP event that I'm attending right now. One of my clients is here, and there are other people that are prospective buyers as well as agents checking it out. Guys, this is cream of the crop. Okay, Toll Brothers. I think I've had 4 of my clients mention the word Toll Brothers to me in just the last week. There's a reason why. These are very upscale, luxurious homes. Their default, standard kind of design options are already considered like upgrade to other builders. So we're taking a look at these kind of options right here. I'm not gonna go through everything. You'll see it in the video. So I heard that there's gonna be, I think, 82 lots.
Correct, yes.
And then on the map, can you show me, you were mentioning to me earlier that the model home will be which lot?
On lot 22.
Okay, lot 22.
Yes. And so we are going to have lots of amenities. There's going to be a pool, and this half of the neighborhood is going to be phase 1, and then this half is going to be phase 2.
All right, so phase 1, phase 2.
Yes, and we are going to have a combination of some slab sites and some basement sites.
Good to know. Do you know about what percentage will be basement?
I do not know that yet. They have not told us that information yet, but Debbie's going to be the person to ask. Debbie's going to be our sales consultant on this neighborhood, and she'll have all that information.
And phase 2, I guess, will be built when kind of at the speed of which phase 1 sells?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't know if you guys have like a set date already.
We just released these lots prior to phase 1, just so it's more contained and then expands. Yeah. Lots of good waterfront sites.
Yeah. Right. Good natural things there. So what about as far as like phase 1, when the lots get released, how many at a time?
It'll be the whole section.
The whole section, great, okay. And I guess first come, first serve?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, I am just now leaving the event where we just got to see the design center for Toll Brothers here in Alpharetta, and a couple other details. If you are interested in a Ledgestone property, Toll Brothers new community, which by the way is the first ever in Gwinnett County in Lawrenceville, they're going to have some basement lots if you're interested. It's going to be a hefty price tag. It's going to be over $1 million. But when it comes to locking in a contract, you're going to need to take the steps necessary to be ahead of the game in case you're up against competition. What does that entail? It means that you need to first get in contact with me, and I can put you in contact with somebody that I know on the sales team who will send us a buyer questionnaire. You need to fill that out. Then you need to get pre-approved through Toll Brothers Mortgage. You can use an outside lender, but you would want to use, well, first you have to get pre-approved through Toll Brothers Mortgage because that's their process, that's their policy. And then at that point, you can choose to work with your lender or their lender. They're giving away a $10,000 credit incentive if you use Toll Brother Mortgage as a preferred lender. And you're gonna be looking at 10% earnest money. So if the house price is $1 million, 10% of that is $100,000. But you're looking at more because you have to understand that there is not just the base price, which will be over $1 million, but you have to look at the lot premium. Where's the lot facing? Where is it located in the neighborhood? How big the lot is? All that will determine how much more the home price will be on top of the base price. So you got base price, and then you got lot premium, and then you've got if it's a basement lot or not. All that could push you at around 1.5 million, maybe 1.4. I really don't know that part yet. But then 10% of that, you're looking at, about 140 to 160,000. So you need to have that ready now in addition to your down payment, or of course that will go towards your down payment. So hope this video is helpful. Give me a call. I was here with my client just now who's planning to buy one. So give me a call. I can help you find the lot in your dream home with Toll Brothers. That's coming up. I believe it's January 15th. They're going to be breaking ground with the first sales. It's going to be the first phase 1, which is the first 25 homes on the left side of the community. Give me a call, leave a comment in the comment section. Catch you on the next video.